Hello students, I welcome you all to my class, our grammar class. So we are doing transformation of sentences. Yes? Okay. So in this, our last class we discussed about how to change to questions into statement and statement into questions. I hope you understood that. Today in this class, how to change the exclamatory sentences into statement and statements into exclamatory sentences. So, you know, exclamatory sentences are says or express our sudden feelings. There may be sad feelings or happy feelings, as it know. So, while change into exclamatory into statements. So, in the exclamatory sentences, what are the things we can observe? There is an exclamatory mark and our sudden feeling of words, hurrah, allahs, hey, this is no. So many words we use and what a beautiful or how is, like that we express our feeling. So while converting into exclamatory into statement, we have to follow some procedure or some point we have to keep in the mind. First we shall see exclamatory statements into statements or assertive sentences. Exclamatory sentences into statements. So, statements means there is no our strong feelings. We did not express in strong feelings in the statements. Instead, the statements is a simple sentences. That's it now. So, in this class, we shall see exclamatory sentences into statements. Students, while converting exclamatory sentences into statements, we have to keep some points we have to keep in mind. So, we need not to change the tense. The first thing is we need not change the tense. So, usually you know, mainly there are three kinds. Three tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. So in that three we classified into 12 tenses. 12 tenses later on in a coming classes we can see. So this class you have to keep in the mind, we should not change the tense of the sentence while changing exclamatory into statements. This is the first point we have to keep in the mind. If there is no verb in the exclamatory, the statement can be put as in the present or past. So, if there is no verb in the exclamatory sentence, we have to, while changing into statements, we have to write in the present or past tense, not in the future. Okay, understood? So, in the tense, we can see the present, past and future. The first point is we should not change the tense, and if there is no verb in the exclamatory sentence, we have to keep the statement in the present tense or in the past tense. So let's see how to change the exclamatory to statement. See here, what a lovely dress. What a lovely dress. What a lovely dress. So, while converting into statement, we have to cancel what. We have to cross out what we should not write in the statement, and we should not use the exclamatory sign. And if the sentence has a very or how, so we have to cross out those. So in the simple sentence, what a lovely dress. That means what we understood? It is a very nice dress. So very lovely dress. We have to add up that what a lovely dress. We have to write in the present tense. It is a very, we should write very, very lovely dress. That's it. Very easy, no? So we have to cross out the what or how, and we should not write the exclamatory sign, and we should write in a normal simple sentence, that is a present tense or in the past tense, or in a which sentence already in the exclamatory sentences we have to write in the same tense. And second one, how silly she looks. How silly she looks. See, isn't how silly she looks. What I said, the first thing, if what or how is there, we have to cross out, and we have to cross out the exclamatory sign. Silly she looks. So looks is a present tense. So you have to write in the statements in the present tense. She looks very silly. She looks very silly. Next, third. How foolish of me to insult others. How foolish of me to insult others. So, how foolish of me to insult others. We have to cross out how and exclamatory sign. Foolish of me to insult others. How can we say? It is very foolishness. It is a foolish of me to insult others. It is very foolish of me to insult others. Insult others. Did you see, students? It's very easy to change the exclamatory into statements. So students, shall we see how to change the statements into exclamatory sentences? So while changing statements into exclamatory sentences, we have to keep some points in the mind. What are the points we have to keep in the mind? See, for example, that man looks extremely old. That man looks extremely old. Extremely old means a very old man. Is it no? So, for example, we have to find out the helping verb in the statements. We have to first the point is we have to find out the helping verb. Which are the helping verb? We can call the am, is, was, were, can, could. Is it no? So on. If this helping verbs is there in the statements, we have to find out. So that man looks extremely old. Here any helping verb? No. But here looks means he is. So is. Then you are very clear. For example, You are very cruel. You can find the helping verb here. Yes, are is the helping verb. Then, if sentence has a very, so, then extremely or greatly, etc. should cross out. So, here that man looks extremely. So, we have to cross out while changing the statements. And here you can very. Here you have to cross out very. Okay. That those because should not write in the statements while changing to exclamatory. We should not write the exclamatory, those words. Then, if sentence has a or an, you should start with what? If sentence start with a or an, you have to write in the beginning what? So this is the key. You have to keep in the mind. If the sentence starts a or an, in the exclamatory sentences, you have to begin with the what. And other than how. If not there, you have to start with the how. Here, is there a or an? No. So, that man looks extremely old. How can we say how old that man looks? So, in the looks, how old that man looks. So, it is which kind of sentence? Exclamatory. So, you have to put exclamatory mark. How old that man looks, like that. See, you are very clear. So, if a or an is there, no. We have to start the sentence in the how. How you are cruel. How cruel you are. How cruel you are. Okay. Next one. They have a very beautiful garden. They have a very beautiful garden. So how can we change this? Here we already told if a or an is there, your sentence should be starting a what. Is it no? Then they have a very beautiful garden. Very, we have to cross out. So then what a beautiful garden. So we have to start with what? What a beautiful garden. Who have? They have. So what a beautiful garden they have. One more example shall we take? Okay. The first sentence. I am very tired. I am very tired. So, if very is there or extremely is there, you have to cross out and find out helping verb. And helping verb should end because we have to write this in the end of the sentence. Then, if an or a is there, no. So the sentence should be start with the how. How tired. How tired I am. Clear, students? So I hope you understood this. And remaining questions. So in the worksheets questions you had to solve out in your home. And the affirmative. Next, affirmative into negative sentences. So in the last class only I told about affirmative and negative sentences. So you try to answer the 2 pages also. Next class I will give you the answers of this.